Hello and a warm welcome to all my viewers here today in my channel. Um, I hope you like the contents of the video I'll be showing from here onwards, and do like, share and subscribe. In today's video, I will be discussing the technical analysis outlook of three companies, namely Grasim, Godrej Properties and Zee Entertainment. So there we go, Grasim, the flagship builder company. Godrej Properties, one of the leading players in the real estate market of India, and Zee Entertainment, which is one of the biggest beneficiaries of the rise in the OTT platform post the COVID lockdowns and since it started. And it's also now going to soon penetrate into the US markets, which is going to add more to the revenue. I'll be speaking purely on terms of technical analysis. And let's start straight away with Grasim. Now, Grasim, as we can see in the monthly, is making moving in a rising channel right throughout its journey, right from 2008 subprime crisis high to the dip there, back again to 2018-17 high, COVID lows, and again now approaching the upper end of this rising channel, which would be its first major resistance, which is around 1625. And if it trudges along this zone, then that would happen around, could stretch it to something like 2700, 1700 out there, out here in this zone out there. So, so we have a move which is looking pretty decent like that in the monthly charts. Now, this is the monthly chart outlook. If we go back and we look at the daily and what it has been doing in the short term, we can see that it had made a bullish harmonic seahorse pattern out here, and that pattern triggered a target around 1375 odd, which went on to do it complete its target at 1475, post which it did a pullback. Now in this pullback, the stock has gone on to make a bullish cup and handle formation, which is a bullish pattern. This pattern has given a breakout out here and is now it's consolidating in this particular zone above the breakout. This resistance was broken after the third attempt. So some consolidation happening out here. It has got very, very strong support in the 1450 to 1470 area. Very, very strong base formation around this zone, as can be seen. The stock could match the upper channel target in the monthly of 1560, 1625 and 1700 also, if it stretches along this line. If it breaks above this channel out here on a monthly basis, then as and when it does so, the outlook gets much more stronger in the medium to long term. This is a medium term outlook of the stock, not a short term view. More of a medium term view would be emerging out of it out here. That takes care of Grasim. The next one I have in mind is Godrej Properties. Godrej Properties can be seen out here that the stock continues to make higher lows. This is the move higher lows, higher low, yet another higher low continues to make. And as per the Ichimoku study, it continues to, after the COVID collapse of March, it's managed to sustain above that and continues to rise in that formation. That's the monthly outlook we have. In the week, in the daily one, there is a reciprocal ABCD which is coming up at 1530 to 50, but that looks like a very minor issue to handle right now. It's got a very strong base formation happening at 1400, 1375 odd levels. The stock can easily move to 1600, 1700, 1700 to 1800 in the medium term. So good breakout likely to happen with a minor pause out here around 1550 near its all-time high, and then further continuation could very much be on the cards out there in the case of Godrej Properties. And the final one which I have in mind is Zee TV. Now, Zee Entertainment in the monthly has started moving now. Now, the media sector perhaps is among the few sectors which have not given the major performance of what other sectors have already done. For example, metals, pharma, FMCG, infrastructure. We've seen tremendous rallies and stocks trading near all-time highs or above, making new all-time highs right now. Media has been perhaps the sector which was languishing and is now started developing a move for the upside. And we can see it in this weekly formation out here that it's trading within a channel in the weekly time frame. So again, not a short-term outlook, more of a medium-term outlook. It has got this minor blip around 230 out here. Once it moves above this line, we will be looking at early stop would be around 260 odd level out here. And then we are looking at 325 for this channel to play out in this whole move. It's making a very strong base formation at 215 to 210 rupees out here. The view would go wrong if it goes and sustains below 190. Then that would be a break of this channel, which would make this entire thing invalid. Before I sign off, a disclaimer, this is not a buy and sell recommendation. It is just a technical analysis research study from my point of view. Please do your own research before you decide to invest in it or not. And have a great investing journey, everyone. And please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Bye-bye.